It starts as an ordinary Tuesday. Someone down the hall can't connect to a printer, opening a mundane IT ticket and clicking submit. Within minutes, that minor glitch cascades. The screen flashes red. Ransomware, malicious software encrypting your files and demanding payment, has locked down the entire network. But people do not rise to the occasion during a crisis. They default to their highest level of preparation. Without prior practice, a sudden cyber attack guarantees absolute chaos. The breakdown crosses every department immediately. IT, human resources, and legal waste critical hours arguing over who is responsible for notifying employees and clients, while the attackers dig deeper into the system. The financial bleeding begins right away. Operational downtime halts revenue, and the emergency incident responders called in to stop the bleeding regularly bill north of $300 an hour per person. Executive leadership freezes when faced with high-stakes choices. They stall on deciding whether to authorize a massive ransom payment or risk permanent data loss because they have never weighed those options before. Treating a cyber attack as an isolated IT problem leaves the rest of the company paralyzed. It is a holistic business crisis, and failing to prepare the entire organization ensures a total operational collapse. You can avoid that exact scenario with a tabletop exercise. A tabletop exercise is a guided, low-cost role-play of a business crisis, rather than a technical debate over firewall rules. To make it work, the entire leadership structure must be in the room. The CEO, legal counsel, human resources, and public relations sit right alongside the IT department. A facilitator guides the group through a paper-based cyber disaster. They drop in the actual software your team uses and the real vendors you work with, making the hypothetical threat deeply personal. This flowchart shows paths a business can take when hit with an inject, a sudden simulated crisis, like a ransom demand. As choices play out, branches terminate abruptly, exposing broken assumptions safely on paper without real-world consequences. These injects quickly surface operational gaps. You might discover that no specific individual actually holds the authority to shut down the main network when a breach is detected. Dangerous communication failures become obvious. Your team might realize the emergency phone number for your cyber insurance broker is saved on the exact server that was just encrypted. The drill forces your team to assign clear, documented roles for every single phase of the incident response. When an actual attack hits, there is zero confusion about who makes the call. Completing these tabletop drills shifts a business's posture from reactive panic to proactive coordination. Exposing these fatal flaws over a pot of coffee builds the organizational muscle memory required to survive a real attack, entirely skipping the million-dollar invoice. Running regular tabletop exercises provides a measurable, high ROI business advantage that extends far beyond internal coordination. This chart compares cyber event frequency in prepared versus unprepared organizations. Data proves regular drills reduce the likelihood of a material cyber event by 13%. Financially, a practiced incident response plan decreases overall data breach costs by $2.66 million. The return on investment for spending 2 hours in a conference room is literally the difference between a temporary operational hiccup and total corporate bankruptcy. The cyber insurance landscape is shifting strictly in 2026. Policies no longer serve as guaranteed safety nets for negligent businesses. Carriers now demand proof of a written incident response plan, and they require organizations to conduct at least one annual tabletop exercise just to secure baseline coverage. If you fail to prove this baseline preparedness, insurance adjusters will deny your claims or impose massive financial sublimits when a breach inevitably occurs. Every small business faces a binary choice. You can either role-play a disaster on your own terms, or you can live through one on the hacker's terms. Stop waiting for a breach. Secure your business operations today.